In this video, I'm going to show you how to set stop loss on Kraken Pro. So make sure to open up your trading pair. Afterwards, what you're going to do, you're going to buy or sell depending on your research. And in my case, I'm going to sell, right? Scroll a little bit down and you can hit, or you can see right here the TP and SL, or take profit and stop loss. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just hit the TP, right? And the stop price, right? In the profit price in USD, stop price in USD, depending on the market price. Okay. And you can also use next to the sell right here, the TPL at the top. And you're going to see after you press it, like a pop-up window, you can select stop loss limit. So you can, trade using SSL or stop loss only. So after you add the price and the TP and SL just for safety, just go ahead and hit sell your trading pair. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.